It's very windy. That it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Thank you. Thank you. I'll take another chance, take a fall, take a shot for you. I need you like a heart needs a beat, but it's nothing new. Yeah, yeah, I love you with a fire red. Thank you. Now it's turning blue. We say sorry like the angel. Heaven let me think was you. But I'm afraid that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. I said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Thank you. Because we're in the future. Yeah, it's like magic. Yeah, we're in the future now. We've made it. We're arrived to the future. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Right, this next song is more of a Saturday night song. Why you came, where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say a lie. Let them know that you know best. 'Cause after all, you do know best. Try to slip past his defense without granting innocence. Lay down a list of what is wrong, the things you told him all along. Pray to God he hears you. Oh, and I pray to God he hears you. Where did I go wrong and lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say a lie. Where did I go wrong and lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up, thank you, with you all night had I known how to save a lie. He begins to raise his voice and lower yours, and granted one last choice. Bob up till you lose the road, go break with the ones you follow. He will do one or two things. He will admit to everything, or he'll say it's just not the same. Thank you. Then you'll begin to wonder why you came. Where did I go wrong? I lost a friend somewhere alone in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to say a lie. Where did I go wrong and lost a friend somewhere along in the bitterness, and I would have stayed up with you all night had I known how to save a lie. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Right, and if you're wondering who this random bearded man singing songs for you in Trafalgar Square is, my name is SATRE. You can find it on the sign. Yeah, I'm gonna play a couple more songs for you. Right, thank you so much for listening. This song is called Riptide. I make my own music, so if you want to hear some more of my voice, if you want to listen to my voice on Spotify, you can just scan this QR code here, like my dear friend just did, demonstrating. Yeah, that's how we see this. Hope you like it. Right.